Welcome to my class, your class. Hello, my friend. Are you ready to play? Let's play. Can you find it? Look carefully. Can you find something red? Great job! That is red. Now, can you find something blue? Awesome! That is blue. This one is easy. Find something yellow. Yes, that is yellow. Let's go. Can you find something green? Amazing! That is green. Wow, one more. Can you find something purple? Great, that is purple. You did an amazing job. You found all the colors. See you in the next game. Bye-bye.